you fix a Dodge Avenger cheap door handle. Simple.
It's not a door handle thing. You fixing the
I'm fixing the window, the door handle, the window. If the shit raggedy, this is how you fix it. You take the butter knife. Turn it down. You take the butter knife and you apply it under here. Let me put this back so you see that I'm telling the truth. Boom. All right. So boom. Put it in there. You push it and keep going around. And this spot gonna pop off. Now, you take this right here. You take it out, and then put it back in. I'll take it out for about 2-3 seconds. Then put it back in. And let's see if it's fixed. It's fixed.
Here we go.
It definitely just wasn't working though.
You want to say "Oh toodles"?
Now y'all can watch me. Y'all can watch me put this damn thing back in too. Perfect. Let me see.